Oh my goodness, look at that. Mmm. Oh, solid. I'll put a lot of shallots in there. And pepper. Mmm. A bunch there. The sauce. Wow, that's so good. The sauce there. Mmm. Spicy. Wow. Eating Jeow Maung. Oh my god, guys, look at that. This is mango dipping sauce. In Laos, we call it Jeow Maung. But you actually can just eat this with anything, any kind of citrusy, sour fruits. I'll leave the measurements in the description, okay? And here's my mango, guys. You see that? These are sour mango. I'm gonna take one. It's a sour mango. Sauce is pungency, salty, savory, the perfect amount of sweetness. Oh, it's getting spicy, guys. Oh. Mmm. Oh, spicy. The dark color comes from the toasted rice powder. Mmm, spicy. It's a big one. Mmm, mango so sour. I got it from Orange County. Sauce has sugar, fish sauce, shrimp paste. Ooh. Spicy. Oh my god. I mean, it's so salty. It's like candy. Let's take sauce from the palm sugar. Like that. Oh. It's Lao we call this. This is Jeow Maung. Mmm. So flavorful. Ah, spicy. This sauce is so addicting, guys. Never had it. It's savory, pungent from the shrimp paste. I can't even talk right. So spicy. Chili powder, toasted rice powder for texture. And it's sweet, savory, with a hint of sweetness. Mmm. It's a fruit dipping sauce. Oh, look at that. Nice sauce. It's spicy, guys. Mmm. Pit. Lao, pit, and spicy. You guys eat this in your culture? I can't no more. I'll eat maybe some more tomorrow. Spicy. I'll see you guys next time. The recipe is in the description. I have it on my YouTube too.